this because it's kind of like a all-terrain vehicle for the most part. Going over those railroad tracks are kind of sketchy. Now, I've always been a big fan of scooters. I love electric scooters. You gotta be alert and on top of your game the entire time that you're on it if you're going to be riding on public roads. Now, if you got bike trails, they might be a little bit more fun. Personally, I just like riding it around my neighborhood, and it's a lot of fun, especially when the temperature is really nice out like it is right now. Yeah, it's got dual motors, so it does a pretty good job at climbing hills. Now, I've seen a top speed of 27 miles per hour on flat ground, and that's GPS verified. Alright, this is the Varla Pegasus. It is a folding electric scooter, one of the top ones on the market today. I love the color scheme. The silver, black, and blue looks really good together. It does have a front headlight and a rear tail light, and it does have brake lights, so when you actuate the brakes, the rear light gets brighter. It has front and rear suspension, very comfortable ride. I think the platform is big enough for me. Not super wide, but that makes it easier to transport with my size 12 shoe. I don't have any issues on that deck at all, and it's just really comfortable. Now, it does have standard cable brakes, so no hydraulic brakes on this one. And you don't really need it because you're only getting a top speed of 28 miles an hour. However, with me at 240 pounds, 6'2", I'm only getting about 26 miles an hour, but pretty close to the top speed range. Now, it does fold, has that little safety strap down here. You take that off, lift this up, and this pulls forward and that slides down. I'll show you in a second. I really like the grips on this. Super comfortable, very gel like material right here in the where you would put your palm, and they're locking so they don't move around a whole lot, and they're very comfortable. I like them. So we have the menu selector here, which will allow you to go up on your PAS levels, which is really just power settings. You have the option of going 1, 2, or 3, 3 being your fastest mode. This is a very common display, the M5. You'll see it on a lot of electric bikes. That's really what this is made for. That's why it has PAS levels. It's a very good screen to see during bright daylight or even at night because it does light up. Now, the handlebars are really cool. I like the way they kind of swoop. I have them kind of pointed out, and here's the thumb throttle over here on the right, and your other cable actuated brakes. Now, it does have front and rear fenders. They do work very well in the rain, which is great. And here's the calipers down here and the rotors. Same in the front. And again, we got dual 500 watt motors. And this thing is just really fun to ride all around town. Get you from point A to point B. It comes in at a good price for what you get out of this thing. But the Varla Pegasus, definitely an awesome ride, and I highly recommend it. For anybody that's looking at scooters, I think it's safe. It's not super powerful, but powerful enough to get you up hills, but it's not super fast flying at those top speeds. Not everybody needs that, me included. I actually really like this scooter a lot. I'm really happy I get to review it. So if you guys like the Varla Pegasus, let me know. I'll make some more videos about it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section. If you like this scooter, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more electric vehicle content. fast we're going to be able to get. We do have a full charge. $28 on their speedometer, 26 on mine. Looks like we got a top speed of 27 there on this flat road. I'm kind of scooting back so you guys can see the speedometer. Now I am 6'2" and I'm 240 pounds. I actually might be closer to 230 now. So take that into account, but 27 miles per hour so far. Pretty decent. Uh-oh, please don't hit me. Go this way and turn around. Try to stay away from traffic on this and be as safe as I can. Brakes are a little squeaky, as you can expect to come from a mechanical brake. There's a small little hill. It looks like it's doing okay. It does have dual motors, so it should be able to climb pretty good. Church, this is where I want to go. I turned down the wrong street earlier. Yeah, it has quite a bit of torque. It's a gradual pickup in speed, but once you get going, you can definitely feel it getting faster. You can feel the torque. It definitely feels stable. The new version of the Pegasus has 9-inch pneumatic tubeless tires. So a much better ride than the previous version with the solid tires. The solid tires were 8-inch. And they didn't have a whole lot of tread, and you could definitely feel all the bumps from the road and everything. So this is a much better ride. The only problem with this is you can still get flats. So you gotta be cautious. I do have one other scooter to review, so we'll kind of do a comparison to that other scooter. But yeah, these bumps on the road, pretty decent bumps. It's taking them very well.
Now, the Varla Pegasus impressed me. The smooth acceleration curve is excellent. It doesn't feel like you're going to get jolted off the scooter at all. A lot of scooters are like that. If you hit the trigger, you feel like you're flying off. I said this in the review, but it feels very safe. The steering is stiff. It's got a built-in steering dampener into the stem, and that's something you'll definitely want during these top speeds. It feels like you can ride with one hand with no issues, and that's not normal for most electric scooters. So, is there anything I don't like about the Varla Pegasus? Well, my biggest gripe about these types of scooters is that you can't remove the battery. So you end up having to bring the whole scooter into your home during extreme temperatures. That can be troublesome for a lot of people. In the next version of the Pegasus, I would love to see a removable battery, and maybe offer spares if needed. That would increase the range for people and make it more convenient and useful to travel around on it. The 15.6 amp hour battery is nice, but wouldn't it be cool if you could ride around with 30 amp hours of juice? The other gripe I have is the mechanism to hold the scooter when it's folded. It's a freaking keychain. I'm fairly certain they could have came up with something better than that for a premium scooter like this. Granted, they do give you a couple extras in the bag of accessories, but why not make this more robust in the first place? All in all, I've really been enjoying this scooter since March. I think at this price point, it's a premium scooter that offers a lot of value. And if you're interested, check out the link in the description. Stay tuned for my next scooter review though, because you might find something else that catches your eye. Lucy, you's a good girl. Yeah, you like the Varla Pegasus, don't you? Is that your favorite scooter? You like the Pegasus the best? Makes you feel like a queen? Yeah, you like riding on the Pegasus? Oh, you wanna lay on the Pegasus?